Buying a house for the first time is such a personal decision. It can be so overwhelming, but it's one of those milestone moments. It's one of those moments that you truly start adulting. Now, how do you know if you're ready? Well, a couple of things. First of all, you have to have a little bit of a savings. Yes, I know there's down payment assistance programs out there, but you know what? Those programs have higher interest rate. Those programs are actually harder to get qualified for. It's so much easier for you to take a moment and put a little bit into savings every single month. Pretend like you're making a mortgage payment and put it into savings. For a $400,000 home, you need at least 3% saved. So that's $12,000 to start off with, depending on your area. The other thing I want you to be cognizant about is your credit score. The better FICO score you have, the better interest rate you get. And that can wildly vary your mortgage payment. You could save $200 to $300 a month if you get your FICO score up to 740. You also need to have job stability. You need to be working at your job for a minimum of 2 years, or at least have some job history for 2 years. There's of course a lot of variables, a lot of new things you're gonna learn, a whole different language, but in the end, this is about legacy. Your home goes up in value every single month, every single year. Your home becomes your money working for you. So it's one of those things. Yes, it's nice to have a roof over your head. Yes, you'll have to take the responsibility of fixing, which is kind of fun and kind of nerve-wracking. But in the end, 30, 40, 50 years from now, that's equity to pass down. That's equity to live off of. Again, it's a personal decision, but a good one.